What if your next journey didn't just take you to new places, but completely changed the way you live on the road? Imagine a motorhome truck built to chase horizons, conquer long highways, and still feel like a luxury home wherever it stops. This is the 2026 Horizon Explorer Motorhome Truck, and today on RV TourHub, we're taking you inside a true explorer's dream. The moment you step inside, you're welcomed by a bold yet refined interior that feels both rugged and modern. The open layout, high ceilings, and wide windows instantly create a sense of space and freedom. Premium materials, smart LED lighting, and durable flooring show that this motorhome is built for serious travel without sacrificing comfort. Every detail is designed to support long adventures while keeping you relaxed and at home. Let's move straight into the kitchen, where functionality meets smart design. The Horizon Explorer features a fully equipped kitchen with a modern cooktop, microwave oven, and a large refrigerator ready for extended trips. Solid countertops provide generous prep space, while deep drawers and overhead cabinets keep everything organized and secure while driving. A sleek sink with a high-end faucet makes cleaning easy, and the kitchen's window lets in natural light, turning everyday cooking into a scenic experience. Next is the living area, the heart of the motorhome. This space is designed for relaxation, entertainment, and connection. Comfortable seating, including a convertible sofa, offers plenty of room to unwind or host guests. A versatile dining table works perfectly for meals, planning routes, or remote work. The integrated entertainment system with a large screen and premium sound transforms the living area into a cozy lounge. Panoramic windows surround the space, bringing the outdoors in and making every stop feel special. Now let's step into the bedroom, your personal retreat after a long day of exploring. The bedroom features a spacious, comfortable bed, designed for deep rest. Surrounding storage cabinets and wardrobes provide ample space for clothes and gear. Soft ambient lighting, reading lamps, and built-in USB ports add convenience, while large windows create a calm, airy atmosphere. This is a place to truly relax, recharge, and wake up ready for the next horizon. Finally, we arrive at the bathroom, which delivers comfort without compromise. A fully enclosed shower with premium fittings, a modern toilet system, and a stylish vanity make the space both practical and elegant. Smart ventilation keeps the bathroom fresh, while high-quality materials ensure durability for long-term travel. The 2026 Horizon Explorer Motorhome Truck is more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle built for those who refuse to stop exploring. From its smart kitchen to its inviting living area, peaceful bedroom, and refined bathroom, every inch is designed for freedom. This is RV TourHub, where the road leads to endless possibilities and every journey feels like home.